नमो नमः. Learning Sanskrit step by step. Step number 9-2. Atideshikaha Dhatavah. Your co-student S.L. Abhyankar. Before starting with part 2, let us recapitulate what we studied in part 1. Mula Dhatavaha are Dhatavaha listed in Dhatu Patha, which is an important annexure of Ashtadhyayi. From the Mula Dhatavaha, one gets more Dhatavaha in two ways. One with prefixes, sopasargaha, sa upasargaha, upasarga sahitaha. And then secondly, atideshikaha, with suffixes, sapratyayaha, that is pratyaya sahitaha. Why one derives and uses atideshikaha dhatavaha is because the culture of linguistics of Sanskrit seeks to provide for the formation of such words by which a thing can be said by fewer words. The atideshikaha dhatavaha, also called as sanadyantaha dhatavaha, is one such provision. Note, sanadyantaha means san adayaha ante, that is pratyaya rupena yesham te. Sanadayaha, san adayaha are pratyayaha. These pratyayaha affixed for obtaining atideshikaha dhatavaha are 12. The first among these 12 pratyayaha is san. Hence these are called as sanadayaha. There are 5 modes of these atideshikaha or sanadyantaha dhatavaha as below. Sannantaha, san antaha, desideratives. Nijantaha, nich antaha, causatives. Yangantaha, yang antaha, and yang lugantaha, yang luk antaha, frequentative and or with excessiveness. Iyangantaha and nigantaha. And then fifth, namadhatavaha, denominatives. We have discussed sopasargaha, sannantaha and nijantaha in part 1. So I have removed the word sopasargaha from the title of this part 2. We proceed to study atideshikaha or sanadyantaha dhatavaha to be obtained from other sanadayaha pratyayaha. Yangantaha, yang antaha, frequentatives. Paunah punyena or varam varam is a major aspect, but there are more aspects. Ayam pratyayaha 3-1-22, 3-1-23, 3-1-24 etaihi sutraihi diyate. Ayam pratyaya yang. Sutram 3-1-22. The sutram reads Dhatore kacho halade kriya samabhihare yang. Note, Paunah punyam means frequent or with repetition. Rather, varam varam means again and again. The pratyaya is yang, which is affixed only as ya. But obtaining yangantaha dhatavaha is not simple. There are processes, prakriyaha involved. I would not go into these. Some examples will give some general ideas. Bhu bhavati. By yang, bo bhuyate is made to exist, is made to become or happen frequently, again and again. Deep deepyate. By yang, dedipyate is made to shine frequently, again and again. Ji jayati. By yang, jejiyate wins frequently, again and again. Nrit nrityati. By yang, narindrityate is made to dance frequently, again and again. Note, in the tigantaha of yagantaha dhatavaha, such as bo bhuyate, de deepyate, the parts bhuyate, deepyate are similar to those of divadi, divadi ganaha, that is chaturtha ganaha. There again atmanepadam. Bhuyate, deepyate, atmanepadam. So, a sense of passive voice is also inherent. The dhatavaha have a beginning letter For example, bo, they, which is some sort of a duplication of bhu, di. Also with u in bhu becoming o, e in di becoming a. Yatha pach plus yang, papacya. अस्य लट् लकारस्य प्रथमपुरुषैकवचनस्य रूपं पापच्य प्लस शप प्लस ते, papachyate. Actually, the word kriya samabhihare does not mean only paunah punyam, frequent or with repetition, or varam varam, again and again. It is better explained below in Kashika Vritti. It says, एकाज्यो धातुर्हलादिः क्रिया समभिहारे वर्तते तस्माद् यंग प्रत्ययो भवति. If a dhatu is ekach, that is has only one vowel, and is haladihi, has a consonant in the beginning, then kriya samabhiharaha sanadyanta dhatu is suffix yang affixed. Paunah punyam, again and again, brushartho va, or excessively, is kriya samabhihara. Punah punah pachati, cooks again and again, papachyate. Note, dhatu pach begins with a consonant and has only one vowel. So, ekach haladi. Similarly, ya yajyate is from dhatu yaj, which also begins with a consonant and has only one vowel. Ya yajyate means performs yajanam or yajnaha again and again. Brushanjvalati burns or is aflame excessively. Jajvalyate. Dhatu jval begins with a consonant and has only one vowel. Similarly, de deepyate. Dhatoho iti kim? What is to be understood by dhatoho? Sopasargad utpattir ma bhoot. It should be Mula Dhatu, not a Sopasarga Dhatu. It may be appreciated that in part 1 itself, we did make a distinction between Mula Dhatu and a Sopasarga Dhatu. Brusham Pratati, wanders too much. Here Dhatu is Prat. Pra plus at. Note, Prat begins with a consonant and has only one vowel, but it is Sopasarga Dhatu. So, one cannot affix yang. Ekachaha iti kim? What is to be understood by ekachaha? Brushan jagarti, keeps awake too much. Here, dhatu is jagru, which begins with a consonant but has two vowels, a and ru, not just one. So, one cannot affix yang. Haladehe iti kim? What is to be understood by haladehe? Brushamikshate, observes keenly. Here, dhatu is iksha, which begins with a vowel, not with a consonant. So, one cannot affix yang. There is also a vartikam. Suchi sutri mutriatyartya shurnotibhyo yang vachyaha. Suchi, sutri, mutri, ati, arti, ashu, arnoti इत्यादीनां ग्रहणम यंग विधानम एकाजहलाद्यर्थम. For specific dhatva, namely such, sutra, mutra, at, ar, ashu, prorna, pra plus urna, grahanam, yang vidhanam, ekach haladi artham. For these, yang vidhanam is valid because it is so specified, and also they qualify being ekach and haladi. Such, so suchyate. Note, such, dashamganiya ubhaypadi, suchayati te. Suchit, to pierce, to point out, indicate. Sutra, so sutrayate. Note, sutra, dashamganiya ubhaypadi, sutrayati te. Sutrita, to tie, bind, thread, string together, to write or compose in the form of a sutra or short rule. तथा च सूत्र्यते हि भगवता पिंगलेन जैमिनिरपि इदमपि धर्मलक्षणम् असूत्रयत्. To plan, arrange, systematize. Mutra momutyate. Note, mutrayati is denominative participle to make water, to piss. So momutrate, it pisses again and again. At atatyate. Note, at atangatau, to wander. Bhvadi, parasmaipadi, prasamaganiya sakarmakaha said. Araryate, I did not find any appropriate mula dhatu. Asharshyate, again here also I did not find any appropriate mula dhatu. Prononuyate, here also I could not find any appropriate mula dhatu. These examples of Yangantaha seem to have passive voice inherent. In Kashika, there is also a mention that Yang Vidhanam is not valid for Brusham Shobhate, although Shobhate is from Shubh, which has got only one vowel, begins with a consonant. But this is said to be not valid for this dhatu. What? Yang Vidhanam is not supposed to be valid. Similarly, Yang Vidhanam is not valid for Brusham Rochate. Rochate is from dhatu Ruch, which again begins with a consonant, has a single vowel. But Yang Vidhanam not applicable, not valid. Ityatra ne ishyate anabhidhanat, because it is not so used. Sutram 3-1-23. Nityam Kautilye Gatau. This sutram has been explained in Siddhanta Kaumudi 2634. It says, Gatyarthat Kautilye eva yang syat, natu kriya samabhihare. Affixing yang to a gativachak dhatu, that is one which has in its meaning motion inherent, will make the yanganta dhatu with meaning of kutila gati, not of kriya samabhihara. For example, vraj with yang vavrajyate means kutilam vrajati, moves about, say in disguise. Vavrajyate does not mean puna punaha or brusham vrajati. Similarly, kram, kutilang kramati chankramyate. Next, sutram 3-1-24. Lupasadachara japa jabha daha dasha grubhyo bhavagarhyayam. Note, bhava means sense. Garha is from dhatu garha, garhang, kutsayam, to blame, to censure. Bhvadihi, prathamaganiya, atmanepadi sakarmakaha set. Or garha, garhang, vinindane, to blame, to criticize. Churadihi, dashamganiya, ubhaypadi sakarmakaha set. So yagantaha of these dhatavaha are bhavagaraha, that is, they have the abhorrable sense. Actually, the dhatavaha lupasadachara japa jabha daha dasha are consonant ending. But these are made a ending for ease of pronunciation and to avoid sandhi effects which would have become confusing. Explanation of this sutram in Kashika is as follows. Lupasadachara japa jabha daha dasha gru ityetebhyo bhavagarhayam धात्वर्थगर्हायाम यंग प्रत्ययो भवति. लुप गर्हितम लुम्पति, लो लुप्यते. नोट, लुप, लुपंग, व्योहने, टू बी कंफ्यूज्ड, टू बी अफ्रेड. दिवादि चतुर्थगणीय परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः सेट. और लुप, लुप्रुंग, छेदने, टू कट, टू ब्रेक, टू स्लाइस. तुदादि षष्ठगणीय उभयपदी सकर्मकः अनिट. सद गर्हितं सीदति, सासद्यते. नोट, सद शदृंग विशरणगत्यवसाधनेषु, टू गो, टू लूज पावर, टू बी टायर्ड, टू ड्राई अप, टू डिस्ट्रॉय, सो मेनी अदर मीनिंग्स. टू विदर, टू डेस्पॉन्ड, टू लूज इंटरेस्ट. भ्वादिः प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः अनिट. सद् शदृङ् विशरणगत्यवसादनेषु टू गो, टू लूज एनर्जी, टू मूव, टू बी सैड. तुदादिः षष्ठगणीयः. परस्मैपदी अकर्मकः अनिट्. सद् also शदङ् पद्यर्थे टू अटैक, टू क्लाइम, टू गो. चुरादिः दशमगणीयः. उभयपदी सकर्मकः सेट. In all these senses गर्हितं सीदति सासद्यते. चर चंचूर्यते. नोट चर चरं गतौ भक्षणे च. टू गो, टू वॉक, टू ईट, टू ग्रेज. भ्वादिः प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः सेट. और चर चरं संशये टू डाउट. चुरादिः दशमगणीयः उभयपदी सकर्मकः सेट. सो चंचूर्यते goes about, gatau, here and there, again and again. That is what the cows do in grazing. So cow go chanchuryate. Jap janjapyate. Note jap japang vyaktayam vachi manase cha. To speak, to meditate, to mutter, to speak nonsense. Bhvadihi prathamaganiyah. Parasmaipadi sakarmakah set. So janjapyate means does japa again and again. Again bhavagrahaya in a bad manner. Jab janjabhyate. Note jab jabhin gatra viname. To yawn, to gape. Bhvadihi prathamaganiyah atmanepadi sakarmakah set. So janjabhyate means yawns badly, gapes badly. Dah dandhayyate. Note dah dahang bhasmikarane, to reduce to ashes, to burn, to destroy, to cause pain. Bhvadihi prathamaganiyah parasmaipadi sakarmakah anit. So janjabhyate or dandayyate means absolutely, very badly, burns badly, destroys, causes pain very badly, reduces to ashes viciously. Dandahyate. Dash, dandashyate. It seems this dhatu dash is actually dansha, danshang, dashane, to bite, to sting. Bhvadihi prathamaganiyah parasmaipadi sakarmakah anit. Dansh, dashing, danshane, to bite, to sting. Churadihi dashamganiyah atmanepadi sakarmakah set. Also dansh, dashing bhashayam, a manner of speaking, to speak, to talk. Churadihi dashamganiyah. So dandashyate means stings or bites again and again, or stings or bites severely. Gru jegilyate. Note gru nigarane, to eat, to swallow. Tudadihi shashtaganiyah parasmaipadi sakarmakah set. Also gru shabde, to sound, to talk. Kradihi navamganiyah parasmaipadi akarmakah set. So jegilyate means gulps again and again, gulps badly, sounds badly, sounds again and again. Jegilyate. Now young lugantaha, young look antaha. These are also frequentatives. Let us see that. Clear mention of young look is in Sutram 7.482, which says Guno yang lukoho. In further Sutrani, there are dictats about both young and young look. That is, yangi, young lookicha. Kashika Vrittihi on this Sutram 7.482, Guno yang lukoho, says yangi, young lookicha igantasya abhyasasya guno bhavati chechiyate. लोलूयते, यंग लुकिंग, जोहवीति, यगोवा इति इड विकल्पः, चोकृषीति. Note, chechiyate and loluyate are yagantaha, not young lugantaha. They are young lugantaha of chi and lu respectively. Chi, chi, chayane, to collect, to select, to pick. Swadi, panchamaganiyah ubhaypadi sakarmakah anit. Also, chi, chi, chayane, to find, to gather, to collect. Churadi, dashamganiyah ubhaypadi. Also, chi, bhashayam, to speak, to talk. Churadi, dashamganiyah ubhaypadi. And then lu, lui, chedane, to cut, to pluck, to destroy, to dissolve. Krati, navamaganiyah ubhaypadi sakarmakah set. So chechiyate selects again and again. Loluyate cuts, plucks again and again. Johvi and chok krushi are examples of young look. See, in chechiyate and loluyate, that year of yaganta, young, is there. Whereas in Johaviti and Chokrushiti, there is no year. So these are examples of young look, young, year, invisible. These are from dhatu hu and krush respectively. Hu, danadoyohu, adane prinane, to sacrifice, to eat, to consume. Juhotyadi, Tritiya Ganiya, Parasmepadi, Sakarmakaha anit. And then Krush, Krushang, Auhane, Rodane, to call out, to shout, to cry. Vhadi, Prathamganiya, Parasmepadi, Sakarmakaha anit. And here, this is young look. So in young look, from who we get Johaviti, and from Krush, Chokrushiti. The main frequentative pratyaya is young, but in young look, it is taken to be in look state, that is invisible. See a few more examples. Bhu bhavati, by young look, bo bhaviti, exists, becomes frequently again and again. Spardha, spardhate, by young look, pas spardhati, competes frequently again and again. Kru karoti, by young look, charkariti, does frequently again and again. Char, charati, by young look, chanchuriti, moves about again and again. Pratyaya young affixes as yo, which seems to lend some sense of change of voice from the active voice. But in young look, the ya is invisible, that is absent. So the sense of change of voice is not there. So young lugantaha seem to have active voice, kartari prayoga. Accordingly, parasmaipadam seems to be prominent. But the shades of meaning of young, that is kriya samavihara, that is paunah punyam, again and again, brusharthova, or excessively, bhavagaraha, abhorrent or otherwise sense. These are certainly there. That is why young look is a variant of young. Iyangantaha, iyang antaha, dhatu rut, ayam pratyaya 3-1-9, ruteriyang, anena sutrena diyate. This iyang pratyaya is specified for only one dhatu, rut. It is affixed as iya. Yatha, rut, iya, na. I have put them into a parenthesis because it suffers invisible. सो रुत् प्लस इय रुतीय. अस्य लट्लकारस्य प्रथमपुरुषैकवचनस्य रूपं रुतीय प्लस शप् प्लस ते रुतीयते. In ashtadhyayi.com also it is mentioned that ayam dhatuः sautraha धातुः अस्ति. Means धातु पाठे नैव विद्यते इति आशयः. रुत् रुति जुगुप्सायां कृपायां च. To pity, to hate, to criticize, to abuse, to favor. भ्वादिः प्रथमगणीयः आत्मनेपदी अकर्मकः set. The logic of mentioning it as bhwadihi seems to be that with iyang, rut becomes rutiya, and then the ting pratyaya, whatever, applies. Note in Aptay dictionary, rut, 1a, prathamaganiya atmanepadi, rutiyate, and a sautraratu, root, that also has been mentioned. To reproach, contemn, to pity, to go, to ravel, have power. This is called as a Sautra Dhatu because it is detailed only by this Sutram 3-1-29. And the Sutram says Ruteri Yang. And so this Dhatu is not in Dhatu Patha. The English meanings given in Aptay's dictionary or in ashtadhyayi.com appeal to be subjective as interpreted by the authors. These may not be the exact meanings. It would be good to see examples of the usages in Sanskrit literature. In Shabdakalpadruma, Rut, Gatyam, to go, Spardhane, to ravel, Aishwarye, Grunayam, to reproach, iti Kavikalpadruma. Bhwadi param iyang pankshe atmagatyarthe sakarmakaha. अन्यार्थे अकर्मकः सेट. घृणा दया पिटी. रुतीयते जनः स्पर्धते ईश्वरो भवति. किंचित दयते गच्छति वा इत्यर्थः. अरेतु इयंगो अप्राप्ति पक्षे परस्मैपदमेव. आर्तीत् आनर्त इत्यादि इति दुर्गादासः. सो इन शब्दकल्पद्रुमः the explanation of Dhatu Rut is given from two sources. One is Kavikalpadrumaha and another is Durgadasaha. Ningantaha Dhatavaha. So Ning Antaha. The Ning Pratyaya is affixed as E only, but its grammatical name is Yuning, different from Nich, which also is affixed as E. Nich as causative has applicability with large number of dhatava. Usage of ning is limited and is detailed in two aphorisms. Note an interesting explanation about ning that nakaraha atmane padarthaha and the nakaraha samanya grahanartha ner niti 6451 iti. Ayam pratyaya 3-1-20 तथा 3-1-30 एताभ्याम सूत्राभ्याम दीयते. सूत्रम 3-1-20 पुच्छ भाण्ड चीवरान् निंग. पुच्छ भाण्ड चीवरात् निंग करणे इति वर्तते. पुच्छ भाण्ड चीवर इत्येतेभ्यो निंग प्रत्ययो भवति. करण विशेषे स्पेसिफिक एक्शन विथ दिस. सूत्रम 3-1-20 details निगंताः धातवः obtainable from the three nouns Puchha, Bhanda, Chivar. What is Puchha? No, Puchha or Pucham, a tail in general. Puchad Udasane, Puchad Udasane, Paryasane va, Utpuchayate, raises the tail, or Paripuchayate, wags the tail. Bhand, note Bhandam, Bhand Ach, Bhand, Swarthe Anva. A vessel, pot, utensil, plate, dish, can, and so on. Bhandat samachayane, in the sense of storage or collection. Hence, sambhandayate means puts, stores, collects in a vessel. Chivar. Note Chivaram ची स्वरच निदीर्घः चीव अरच वा. Reference is from Unadi Pratyaya 3-1. A garment in general, a tatter, rag, the dress of any mendicant. Chivarat arjane paridhane va, getting or wearing a cloth. So sanchivarayate bhikshu. A mendicant gets and wears a cloth. And the other sutram which explains ning is 3-1-30. It says kamer ning, kamehe ning. कमेर धातोः निंग प्रत्ययो भवति. कमेः धातोः निंग प्रत्ययः भवति. Note, kamehe is षष्ठी एकवचनम of kami, which is the grammatical name of the dhatu. In ashtadhyayi.com, kam is detailed as kam, kaung, kantau, to love, to desire, to long for, to have intercourse with. Bhadi prathamaganiyah आत्मनेपदी सकर्मकः सेट. So नकारो वृद्ध्यर्थः and नकारः आत्मनेपदार्थः. कामयते कामयेते कामयन्ते. यथा कम निंग कामि. Ning affixes as e only. So kam, ka of kam becomes ka and ma plus e mi. So kam ning is kami. अस्य लट्लकारस्य प्रथमपुरुषैकवचनस्य रूपं कामि शप ते कामयते. The nigantah kam plus ning becomes kami and has tigantah kamayate etc. In Update Dictionary, kam, first and 10th gana, atmanepadi, kamayate kamit, chakame kamayan chakre kant, to love, be enamored of, be in love with, to long for, wish, desire, to have intercourse with, to value highly. Note Sutram 3-1-30 details ning of kam. All in all, ning has usage to get nigantaha dhatavah in 4 instances. A. From the 3 nouns puchha bhanda chivar, and B. From the mula dhatuhu kam. Nigantaha dhatavah obtained from the 3 nouns puchha bhanda chivar is an introduction to the concept of obtaining nama dhatavah as a special and specific variety of atideshikaha dhatavah. Nama dhatavah are sanadyantaha dhatavah obtained from nouns rather from pratipadikani, that is namani, sarvanamani, visheshanani. On the whole, out of 12 sanadi pratyaya, we have thus far studied one sun, nich, young, young look, young, and ning. We have yet to study 7 more. With those remaining 7, one primarily obtains nama dhatavah. We would rather take another breather here. So, Shubhamastu.